Hey everybody, welcome to the wrap-up. We've had a few new YouTube videos come out since our last wrap-up. We had a fall-themed paracord bracelet, a paracord cross tutorial, and we had two videos come out about the Mani method. The Mani method is a technique to join two pieces of paracord without having to melt them together. If you're interested in learning about that, make sure to give those videos a watch. We had two new blog posts come out since our last wrap-up, one explaining how to do your first paracord bracelet, and the other one discussing things that Paracord Planet sells that isn't paracord. So if you're interested in that, go to our website and give the blog a read. Looking at our paracord community, our paracord highlight for this wrap-up is Addie Beasling on Twitter. She posted a series of pictures of things that her dad had paracorded to make them easier to reach, and it is hilarious. This one's probably my favorite. Thanks, Addie. Next, looking at our paracord spotlight, we have Melody Mods, Melody Mods, MELEEDY Mods on Twitter. They mod GameCube controllers, among other things. If you're interested in having a GameCube controller modded, make sure to hit them up. They may be able to help you out. Send them a message on Twitter if that's something you're into. And now for what we wrapped. So I had all that foam stuff, a lot of masks, a lot of different things, and I had in my head, you know, I could make something with paracord and these foam things. Turns out I made monstrosities, because this is terrifying, in my opinion. And here's another one. I just kind of like, this glows in the dark though, so it's a bit cooler. But the thing I learned from this is sometimes in art, you're not super satisfied with what you made, and that's okay, because it's how you got there that's important. And like, I mean, just that's... And now, for what we're gonna wrap next time. This box of tissues. I want to be clear, I didn't just use that tissue, that was just to like introduce the box of tissues. That's not like a used tissue that I just threw around. But yeah, we're gonna wrap that box of tissues. We'll see you next time. This one was my favorite. I very much enjoyed that. Thanks, Addie. This one's probably my favorite. LOL. Thanks, Addie. This one's probably my favorite. Thanks, Addie. This one's probably my favorite. Thanks, Addie. This one's probably my favorite. Thanks, Addie.